Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a dragon named Disgust. Disgust was not like other dragons. He had a peculiar problem. He couldn't stand the smell of dirty socks. Every day, Disgust would fly over the village, looking for something delicious to eat. But alas, all he could smell was the overwhelming stench of dirty socks. It made his nose wrinkle and his scales shudder. One day, Disgust decided he had had enough. He was tired of missing out on the delicious smells of roasted meat and fresh fruit because of the unpleasant smell of dirty socks. So, he set out on a mission to rid the village of this terrible odor. Disgust flew into the village and landed in the town square. He looked around and spotted a laundry hanging on the line. Aha, he thought, that's the source of the stench. With a deep breath, Disgust let out a mighty roar. I will not tolerate this smell any longer. Bring me your dirty socks, and I will make them clean. The villagers were surprised but did as the dragon asked. They brought him basket after basket of dirty socks, and Disgust began to work. He breathed fire onto the socks, and they were instantly cleaned. The villagers watched in amazement as their dirty socks transformed into clean, fresh-smelling ones. From that day on, Disgust became a hero in the village. He would fly over every day, breathing fire onto the laundry, and the villagers would thank him for his help. And as for Disgust, he finally found peace. He could smell the delicious aroma of roasted meat and fresh fruit, and he was no longer bothered by the smell of dirty socks. And so, the story of Disgust the dragon became a legend in the village. He taught everyone the importance of cleanliness and the value of helping others. And every night, as the villagers went to sleep, they would remember the dragon who helped them and smile. The end.